the global narrative has taken a backseat, but I doubt that we will see a bout of short covering. But for the day, it appears that it's a good start. Some of the top traded stocks, I would want to start with Reliance ahead of numbers and DMart after numbers, and then HCL Tech ahead of numbers. Not too many newsmakers actually over the weekend. So Reliance is looking okay. DMart is where the trouble is, 7% lower, and HCL Tech, which has made a new high, is flat ahead of numbers. Later this week, you will hear from Wipro, you will hear from HDFC Bank, 20-22% of the weightage of the Nifty, so nothing big there. China come back, a bit of a yes-no there, so steel stocks are flat, nothing big there. Zomato is trending up very, very smartly. It's gone to 281. Wipro, you give a bonus issue, the stock goes up, but look, it's about growth. It's not about, how are you treating your shareholders in terms of dividend, buyback and bonuses. That does not change the business. It changes the perception, P multiple and all that, dividend yield calculations, but that is okay. What else is trending up in terms of volumes or trending lower on volumes? I want to look at volumes here, please. Avenue Supermart is the top traded stock on both the exchanges, 9% down. BSE is gone up on strong volumes, and then there is PB Fintech, which is flat. L&T, we were talking about it, and I'm happy to stick my neck out and say that this really could be the buzzword for next couple of months in terms of outperformance. See, L&T is not going to be like a 50% up, but it starts outperforming also, that's great. So L&T, I think, is the one which is picking it up from, it is picking it on lines of what the JP Morgan report is indicating, up 60 rupees now.
What is HAL up to? Let's check in on that stock as well. We were just flagging off. It's got the Maharatna status. That stock holding up nearly 2% as we speak right now. Bunch of other stocks as well in focus. There's JSW Energy, wherein their ARMS has signed a 2 energy storage facility agreement with MSE DCL. Look out for that as well. Sudarshan Chemicals, the big buzzer from Friday. The board is looking to consider a fundraise via QIP this week on October 16th, although 3% lower for Sudarshan Chemicals as we speak right now. What about Wipro though? They're considering a bonus issue, it seems, on their October 17th board meet. Wipro holding up nearly 3% as we speak right now. What is TCS up to after its earnings got absorbed? Let's see where that stock is headed. Just very mild. 41.64 is where that stock is. Reliance Industries then ahead of its numbers today, as well as HCL Technologies. Reliance 0.5% higher, 27.55 on that stock, and HCL Tech as well, 0.5% uptick on that stock. There's Ashoka Buildcon. They've got the LOA for projects worth about 3,900 odd crore rupees from Citco as well as MSRDC. 6.25% of a buzz coming in on Ashoka Buildcon as we speak right now. There's DMart, of course, that's your top loser right now. But Sula Vineyards as well, wherein the numbers haven't really been all that impressive. The net revenues have fallen over 1%, and their wine business, wine tourism business that is, has seen an uptick of about 1.3%. So 1.5% higher for Sula Vineyards. It's a bit of a mixed bag, the numbers, if you will. So that's pretty much it on where the market is right now. Let's check in on the Nifty Bank as well before we take it back to our charters. Well, the Nifty starts off above the 25,050 level. The Nifty Bank as well, pretty much in tandem with what the Nifty is doing.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.